What's up, guys, and welcome back to another vlog where today we do some more wrapping on the truck. This is the next thing on our list, so I'm gonna wrap this one real quick. I'm not gonna show you guys because this is a very easy piece. So same thing, I'm gonna clean it up with some alcohol and clay bar it real quick. Alright guys, I'm going to start wrapping this lower part here on the truck, front bumper. I did put an inlay on the bottom. Let me show you guys. I don't know if you guys can see that. Here you go. I put an inlay here on the bottom just because this is plastic, so it doesn't really stick very well to this. Surprisingly, there's no texture to it though, even though the plastic has texture. Even though the plastic has texture, there's no texture to the film. So the reason I didn't inlay here, I could have easily done it in one piece like I did on my other truck, but this doesn't tack very well. Like I said, because it's plastic, it doesn't stick on very well and it pops up easily. So the way I did it here is going to last a long time because it's just a flat panel. I'm going to lay some knifeless tape here, that way it can overlap perfectly, and then I'm going to lay some knifeless tape all the way around here because I am putting a grill here. I got this flat black grill here. You guys can see this. That's going to be in this area here. On my blue truck I do have a gloss black one. For this I'm going to go with everything flat black. So that's going to be covering all the inside here. So I just want the film to go probably maybe an inch inside all the way around. So I cut our piece out already. I might add a little bit of adhesive to the corners here, again because it doesn't stick very well. I don't want it to start popping up with time, so I might do that. I thought about laying maybe an inlay here first and then putting this one over, but because it's probably just going to be in maybe in half an inch all the way around, I think we have a little bit of chances of it popping up. So let's get started. Alright guys, I laid my knifeless tape out inside here. Bam. And then I put one on the bottom here too. So we're ready to start wrapping. I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe it down one more time, and then maybe put a little bit of tape here so it doesn't stick on this other vinyl. That way I can squeegee it in here. So I'll lay a little bit of tape up here. Everything is nicely wrapped. It actually stuck very well. Sorry about my kids in the background. And here's the inlay so you guys can see. You guys will probably barely see it right. Let me put the light up. Right around here. You barely see it. So I still gotta do this metal part. I'm probably just gonna make a cut around right here and then push it in. I did put this piece of tape just so that the vinyl wouldn't stick up here, but we're done with this. Look at that. I'll show you guys the final result here. There you go guys, there we have our grill right there. Bam. Everything came out perfect on this. I think I'm gonna set up our front end already. The bumper caps, I still need to do them, but I can put the headlights and the grill back on and then do that later. Day 2. Alright guys, next thing on our list we're gonna start wrapping is this whole bed here. But the way we're gonna wrap this, I do have to take the bed off, or at least unbolt the bolts that are here and push it back in order for us to be able to go all the way deep in here. This is something a lot of wrap shops don't do. They don't go deep into here. They'll just go to here, and when you see it through the side, see, you can still see all this. So I'm probably gonna take it all the way to the end here, and same thing with this side, all the way to the end over here where my finger's at. So I'll show you guys how to unbolt your bed. First thing we gotta do is on the driver's side, we do have to take these bolts out. I think it's 1, 2, I don't know if this is another one too. But we do have to take these bolts out in order for this funnel port to come off for the gas. And then once we do that, I believe there's like maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bolts or something on the bottom. And then the whole bed can move backwards. I will take the tires off too to make sure that there's enough room, because this wheel well here, this part here is gonna push against the tire, and it's only gonna give me that much space, so it's not a lot. So I'll probably take the tires out. That way I can really push the bed back, and that way we have plenty of room to wrap around here, plenty of room to wrap around here. Alright, let's get started. Alright guys, I removed everything. Right here on the bottom, the little thing was like a little clip like this. So just use a screwdriver to pull it out, and it should come right out. And the top ones were those torque screws, so once you got that out, you can just push it out of the way. It moves out of the way. Now you have plenty of room, nothing's stopping it, and we can actually move the bed back. Alright, so next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna remove this bumper, because in order for us to wrap in these areas here, there's not enough room. So I'm gonna remove the bumper and sit off to the side. So we also have to remove the tail lights. So I'm gonna go ahead and just, tail lights are very easy, it's just 2 screws and tail light just pops out. So I'll do that on both sides. And then I think the last thing I have to do is also remove these. That way we can wrap under this. And probably just use like a knifeless tape, probably around here. No need to wrap all the way over here, just maybe just to around here. And then put these back on, and we're set. Alright, I went ahead and removed the plastic that was up here, but there's a lot of this glue left over, so I can probably remove it by hand. Doesn't seem like to be that, but it's probably going to take me a while, so I'm going to use my eraser wheel. This thing has really come in handy this whole project. 3M eraser wheel, so I'm going to go ahead and hit the whole thing. Hopefully it comes out easily. Alright guys, I went ahead and took off the wheels. I unbolted everything on the bottom. There's like 4 on each side. I think these are 18mm here. So they're a little tough, so I did have to use some of this WD-40. So finally took those off. I think I'm just going to keep the bed on because it's just me here. Nobody's here to help me. So I'm going to go ahead and push it back. Alright guys, I moved the bed back just around this much. It's plenty of room for me to get in here. So I can wrap all this part here and then back here too, so I could fit all the way in here. I don't think there's any need to wrap this whole panel, but I'll probably just wrap like a good 3 inches here, just so you can't see anything. And then I'm gonna be putting some bed liner here, some spray on bed liner. I'll do that too. Probably to this too. I'm not gonna wrap this.
Came through dripping Aquafina, I'm sipping 15, kept a weapon on me. Blow make digits, I'm on my business, stack chicken like what it's gon' be. Crew in the cut, hey, you want us, red run when I tell a peace. Love is love. Love is love. Adios. Bendo with the switch again. Boy deliver like he happening. Go with it,
alright guys, there we go. I laid my inlay in here, all the way down, nice and straight with knifeless tape on the inside. So this is probably as far as you're going to be able to see. So I might have gone overboard by going all the way in here, but I'd rather do that than have any of the beige showing. I also laid another one down here. I'll be able to see that. So when we put the other one, you're not even going to be able to see the seam. So it's going to be all the way, it's going to be facing that way, so you won't be able to even see it. All this so I don't have to really stretch. This, when I lay this piece of vinyl, it's going to last a long time because we have absolutely no curves. It's going to be all flat, especially with this area. I'm going to lay my knifeless tape all the way around and then grab our vinyl and start.
Somersaults for my Benjamins. I got what you need, baby. Skirt the Chevy, make a scene, baby. LABB been the G, baby. Been Papa, word the G, baby. Look, lab till I'm finished. Had a handful of lemons through the hand. Got a bag, now the hands in the business. For my hand, it's a ticket. Talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it. I've been playing with the minutes that they been shoulda gave. And I'm flipping every digit that they been shoulda paid. Had to find a way to get it. No, this isn't what you made. If I ever wanna dip, then I'm brink with the blade. And I'm brinking a blink on the brink of some dumb shit. Watch how I move, cause I know the brink's coming. Watch for the blues, cause I know that they dumping. Nothing in my view, so it's hush on discussion. Hush on discussions, you know what you need to. I keep it in the fam to let you know that I don't need you. Y'all cats be see-through, heading out to peace. You been king, I'm regal, got it in my Abisu. Came through trippin' Aquafina, I'm sippin' 15, kept a weapon on me. Flow make digits, I'm on my business. Stack chicken like what it's gon' be. Crew in the cut, you want us red run when I tell her peace. Love is love. Love is love. Hold up with it, got my back on Pippin. I'm back in kitchens with the tray. Windows tinted like how black my skin is. Scoop the shorty in it from a J. Swish, she got vision just like any women giving me the kitten. Way before the riches, nothing more to mention. I could light a block of powder or a glisten. Foreign on my body, that's Agora linen. I came through trippin' Aquafina, I'm sippin' 15, kept a weapon on me. Flow make digits, I'm on my business. Stack chicken like what it's gon' be. Crew in the cut, you want us red run when I tell her peace. Love is love. Love is love. Adios. Love is love. Love is love. Adios. Love is love. Love is love. Adios.
Alright guys, we're completely done. I'm just gonna go over it with some heat, but let me show you guys everything. So this is the line that we made. This is an inlay that we put in here. Bam, you can't even tell. The only way you can tell is if you look at it from that side, and even then you can't really tell. So bam, I'll show you my other inlays down here. Probably can't even see the line, but I promise you it's there. This is how we got it inside here. Whenever I do the bed liner, I'm gonna be doing bed liner all in here too. Otherwise, you'll probably be able to see this, even though it has the, well, maybe not. The tires might cover most of this if it's lower down, but still, I still want to go ahead and bed line all this area here. But there you can see all this area here, all nicely done. Remember when my body work right here? This is why I needed these straight lines here. That's the part that took me forever to make this right here. And then we're gonna have these things covering right here. It's gonna be covering probably down to here. That's why I didn't decide to wrap all the way up here. It's just a waste. So all in all, it took me to actually wrap it about an hour. Alright guys, I'm on the driver's side now. Did my inlays here. Here we go. Put one inlay here. Then I did one down here. You guys can see that. Now we can start doing the whole panel here. I'm glad I'm going to be covering up all this stuff. This is where I did all the body work here. We had a massive dents here and here too. So I'm going to be taping the gas cap off because we're not going to be laying this with the panel. I'm going to be laying this in its own piece. I could cut it here and lay it like that, but I'm afraid some of the beige might still show in there. So I'm going to lay this on its own piece and just tuck it in here. But in order for me to cut around this, I'm going to make sure that I tape this. So we got our three inlays. We got this one, we got that one on the bottom, and that one on the bottom.
Came through trippin' Aquafina, I'm sippin' 15, kept a weapon on me. Flow make digits, I'm on my business. Stack chicken like what it's gon' be. Crew in the cut, you want us red run when I tell her peace. Love is love. Love is love. Adios. Bendo with the switch again. Boy deliver like he happening. Core with they just give him estimates. Somersaults for my Benjamins. I got what you need, baby. Skirt the Chevy, make a scene, baby. LABB been the team, baby. Big Papa, word the G, baby. Look, labs till I'm finished. Had a handful of lemons through the hand. Got a bag, now the hands in the business. For my hand, it's a ticket. Talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it. I've been playing with the minutes that they been shoulda gave. And I'm flipping every digit that they been shoulda paid. Had to find a way to get it. No, this isn't what you made. If I ever wanna dip, then I'm brink with the blade. And I'm brinking a blink on the brink of some dumb shit. Watch how I move, cause I know the brink's coming. Watch for the blues, cause I know that they dumping. Nothing in my view, so it's hush on discussion. Hush on discussions, you know what you need to. I keep it in the fam to let you know that I don't need you. Y'all cats be see-through, heading out the piece. You been king, I'm regal, got it in my Abisu. Came through trippin' Aquafina, I'm sippin' 15, kept a weapon on me. Flow make digits, I'm on my business. Stack chicken like what it's gon' be. Crew in the cut, hey, you want us, red run when I tell her peace. Love is love. Love is love. Hold up with it, got my back on Pippin. I'm back in kitchens with the tray. Windows tinted like how black my skin is. Scoop the shorty in it from a J. Swish, she got vision just like any women giving me the kitten. Way before the riches, nothing more to mention. I could light a block of powder or a glisten. Foreign on my body, that's a Gora linen. I came through trippin' Aquafina, I'm sippin' 15, kept a weapon on me. Flow make digits, I'm on my business. Stack chicken like what it's gon' be. Crew in the cut, hey, you want us, red run when I tell her peace. Love is love. Love is love. Adios. Love is love. Love is love.
Alright guys, I'm completely done with the side of the cab. Came out nice and clean. No glue lines. We have no imperfections. Everything came out clean on this one. Look at that. Damn. Can't even see our bodywork here. That's how good we are. Look at those lines of that bodywork right here. Where it was hit right here and it was hit right here. Can't even tell. Look at that. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys keep subscribing to stay tuned for the whole wrap on the truck. I think there's probably like a couple more videos. Let me know if you guys want more detailed videos on how to wrap, or if you guys just like the fast recording of the vlog. So just let me know in the comment section below. Alright guys, I'll see you guys next time.